80 billion items of clothing are sold each year. Almost every piece at some point is wrapped in a poly bag, and as little as 10% is recycled. Even with recycling schemes in place, 72% of plastic is still going to landfill or escapes into the environment. A rubbish truck of plastic finds its way to our oceans every minute, causing havoc with vital ecosystems on our planet. So yes, the plastic in your hand matters. Every piece does. So just get rid of the plastic bag, right? Unfortunately, it's not that simplistic. Without the protection of poly bags, countless items will be damaged and thrown away, with potentially worse consequences for the environment. Bio bags don't cut it. They either break down too early and damage the product, too late, or not at all in certain conditions or ecosystems. Currently, retail's model is to pass on the problem to you, the customer, to deal with yourself. Even with recycling schemes in place, 72% of plastic is still going to landfill or escapes into the environment. And the poly bag is not widely recycled, particularly at small scale. Here, our outbound packaging is 99.5% plastic free. But the products that arrive to us as inbound packaging are still mostly wrapped in plastic. Determined to explore alternatives, we're working with Patagonia to develop new ideas and processes. You too can be part of this exciting initiative to help us transition away from poly bags going to landfill or worse, our oceans, through supporting a closed-loop system. Making use of the protective qualities of the poly bag for the longest part of each product's journey. Then removing it at the very final moment before it gets shipped to you, the customer. And vitally, making sure that that bag is recycled through a trusted third party. Because we know that recycling at home isn't that easy. So thank you for supporting our attempts to break from the norm, transitioning the humble poly bag from a linear economy to a recycling economy.